the SnapWireless PowerBase 3-in-1 wireless charger. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at the SnapWireless PowerBase. This can be used with your wireless Qi enabled devices, from Apple to Samsung, just to name a few. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual, a USB-C cable for charging, the power base, and an Apple Watch stand. Just to go over some specs listed on the website. This is a 5-coil design, dual 10-watt fast charging for 2 devices, 3 devices at once, multi-positioning for charging, and you can charge with a stand or flat for the Apple Watch. There is a list on the site with all the compatible devices as well. You can see the internals with the 5-coil design along with the input and output specs. You'll need an 18-watt quick charge adapter if you plan on charging with the Apple Watch. They do offer it separately on the website. It has the following safety features: overheat protection, overcharge, voltage, short circuit, and overcurrent. Again, multiple devices with flexibility in charging. And you can see the diagram here. The power base is pretty slim with a rubberized soft feel to it. On the bottom you have 4 rubber feet to prevent it from slipping. And on the top you have the branding along with the LED lights for the power input. On the left you have the charging spot for the Apple Watch, and it can either be charged flat or with a stand. And next to that are the other spots for the smartphone or Airpods, just for some examples. I don't have an Apple Watch for this demonstration, but to set up the charging for the watch, you have to run the Apple charging cable below the power base. To access the input, just slide the bottom cover up. You can run the wires along the edge and then plug it in. There is also a diagram etched in on the cover for reference. You will also need a quick charge adapter, and if you don't have one, you can purchase the SnapWireless version. I've plugged in the power base, and as you can see, it's pretty straightforward to use. Here you can see the iPhone charge on the left side. Now on the right side. And in a horizontal position. If you have Airpods or the Airpods Pro, they will work as well. And here you can see multiple combinations. Definitely a good way to charge your wireless enabled devices. So there you have it. That is my review of the SnapWireless PowerBase 3-in-1 wireless charger. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.